Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locating the element's atomic number. That number is the electron count you must place. Once done, recall 3 rules: Aufbau to order orbitals, Pauli to limit spins, and Hund's rule for degenerates. Now start filling. Place electrons into 1s first, then 2s, then 2p, following the standard energy ladder. Speak each orbital and electron count aloud as you add them. This prevents mistakes and keeps you focused on the sequence. Once you've started, continue by applying the N plus L rule to decide energy priorities. Remember, force fills before 3D in neutral atoms, even though 3D is lower after filling. Make sure you never put more than 2 electrons in an s orbital, 6 in p, 10 in d, or 14 in f. Also watch for exceptions like chromium and copper families, where half-filled or fully filled d subshells are favored. When you hit those, adjust electrons to reflect observed stability, and note why. You finish by writing the full electron configuration in order, then optionally compress it using the nearest noble gas in brackets for shorthand. After writing, sum the electrons to confirm they equal the atomic number. This is your quick verification. If forming ions, add or remove electrons from highest energy orbitals first. If something looks wrong, recheck the energy ordering and known exceptions. Often the issue is a miscount or treating 3D versus 4s in the wrong sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.